How about enjoying a nice weekend and bringing a beautiful piece of art home? Bhering Factory in Rio de Janeiro is the place you're looking for. You used it to produce coffee, chocolate, and candies back then, but now things have changed. What once was one of the largest factories in Brazil is now a meeting point for artists and those who appreciate it. Located at the port of Rio de Janeiro, Bhering Factory was built in 1930 and remained open and working until 1990. The space was then rented for a few artists, but it was only in 2010 that the place dropped public's attention like a boom. There we can find restaurants, bookstore, clothing studios, and objects for decoration, one more beautiful than the other. Bhering Factory really catches us with its variety. If you're not willing to buy anything, don't worry. Visiting the factory will surely be a great experience, and besides all the amazing stuff you can find there, there will be a spectacular sunset to be seen. Just enjoy a drink and appreciate the view. The best day to visit Bhering Factory is the first Saturday of each month. You find all studios open for public. You can have concerts and presentations that will make your visit worthwhile. And last but not least, another great thing is that it's really easy to get there. Take the subway to Cinelândia station and then take the VLT towards Praia Formosa and leave at Rodoviária station. It's a couple minutes walk from there. Hope you guys enjoy Bhering Factory in Rio de Janeiro, and we meet again on our next Dica. Abraços!